My name's David Eldridge. I'm a Senior Principal Research Scientist with the Department of Environment and Planning. I'm a late career scientist and my area of speciality is rangelands, those parts of the state that are arid and semi-arid, and they occupy almost 50% of the area of the state. My work aims to address current problems that the New South Wales Government has in addressing issues of land management, management of soils, management of vegetation in the state. But not just current problems. I'm interested in trying to anticipate future problems. Problems that might arise, for example, through illegal clearing, overgrazing, feral animal control, invasive species. And the government has to deal with many of these problems on a daily basis. My greatest achievements in my 40-something year career is to understand how these dryland systems function and how we might manage them more effectively. And that's going to be increasingly more important as we move towards a more unpredictable climate where rainfall is more variable and natural hazards happen with a greater frequency. In the future, I see my role as empowering early career scientists and junior scientists in my organisation to improve their skill sets and to add to the body of knowledge so that future generations will have a better understanding and a better ability to manage some of these ecosystems. My colleagues have been terribly important in my whole career. These include colleagues within my own agency, but also colleagues in other countries. And that's critically important because it means that we can bring the expertise from some of these other groups back to the state to improve our ability to manage some of these ecosystems. This award is very important for me. I see this as recognition of a long career working in the New South Wales public sector, trying to improve the way that we manage these critically important resources.